Let's create a new chart of accounts record. Start a new record. Enter a value for code. Enter a value for name. Choose an option from account group or search by typing a few letters. Choose an option from account category or search by typing a few letters. Choose an option from account type or search by typing a few letters. Toggle the state of accounts group. The created by will be filled in automatically by the system. The last modified will be filled in automatically by the system. Save the main record.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Visit www.zayeen.com for more info.